Woo-hoo-hoo. I tell you, I do this in real time. Y'all see the vest. You see the reflector. You know what I'm saying? Broker talk, man. I'm leaving the warehouse right now, man. I just got done. I know y'all see the title. And the title is what it says what it is, man. It is what it is. I don't know. Long day today, right? Well, let me make sure I don't hit no cars. Long day today, man. Y'all read the subtitle. Y'all see the title of this video, man. And the video is self-explanatory. Before you go on Indeed.com looking for a lead, watch this video first. Y'all hear it all the time. Before you go and do this, watch this video. Before you wipe yo, watch this video. But I'm for real, man. This is like real life. Y'all see the vest on me. I'm just not leaving the warehouse. I had to pick up some cars. You know what I mean? Yes, we do auto transportation too, you know. So I had to, man, I'm transparent, man. I'm gonna be transparent with you guys. So let's get the video started, man. Before you go on Indeed.com, watch this video. So I'm gonna explain this to you, right? Before you go on Indeed.com, I know you're sick and tired of me saying that. Write down in the comment below right now. Are you guys sick and tired of me saying before you go on Indeed.com? Before you go on Indeed.com to go find leads as far as, you know, grocery stores, chains, and auto dealerships, you know, auction people there or whatever. Make sure you prepare, man. Now, what you mean by make sure you prepare? You know what I mean? A lot of y'all probably saying, "Well, duh. Why would I do anything if I'm not prepared?" Like, who does that? Yeah, this guy right here. This guy right here, man. So make sure you're prepared. Because I say this over and over again, man. I'm gonna say it again, bro. Preparation commands execution. What does that mean? Prepare yourself. Study for an exam to get your CDL, to get your brokerage, your real estate license, whatever. You're preparing yourself. Become a general contractor. You're preparing yourself, right? That preparation is going to command you to execute on your exam. And that goes for everything. Preparation commands execution. If you're a freight broker, like me, I see the best. If you're a freight broker and you prepare yourself by studying what a freight broker is and what's a freight agent are, right? Learning the difference and deciding, hey, I think I fit more as a freight broker. So you're going to prepare yourself with knowledge that you're taking in either from a mentor, YouTube, like this, subscribe, like, share, you know, YouTube. You're going to prepare yourself, right? And then you're going to learn about getting your surety bond. You're going to learn about starting your LLC, getting your EIN number, you know what I mean, your IRS number, your employer identification number. Yeah. You're going to learn about that. Then get your surety bond, right? Then you're going to learn about if you need cargo insurance. If you need general liability insurance. You're gonna learn what trade you're in. You know what I mean? What niche you're trying to conquer, right? You're gonna prepare yourself, and with all that preparation, you tell God, right? Some of y'all say the universe, but you telling God, yo, God, this is what I'm preparing myself to become. I'm not trying to be average. I'm not trying to be good. I'm going to be the best. You understand me? The best. Not today, not yesterday, forever. So you're going to prepare yourself to be the best, right? And you tell God, hey, this is what I want to do. So God's going to put an opportunity right in front of you, right? Preparation commands, you tell God, you ask, open the door. And guess what? That same opportunity come knocking, it's going to come knocking. And if you ain't prepared to execute, it's over, my friend. not over, but you know what I mean, your reputation is everything, man. Your first impression is everything. Meaning, I'm gonna give you a quick example of what just happened right now. That's why y'all see me in the suit. You know what I mean? We do this in real life. So, long story short, you know, we got the LLC, we got the charity bond, we doing that. We're running, man. We're actually working with a company right now, a multi-million-dollar company. But we want to get more companies, you know what I mean? More customers. Because you just can't be comfortable, one, because at the end of the day, what can happen is that company can fall out or that company can go in separate ways, and then now you're stuck. You're back at ground zero. So you always want to have multiple load lists coming through from different companies. So I was able to, I went on Indeed. Well, Indeed notified my people and let them know that, hey, so-and-so is trying to connect with this company, with our company. So, you know, my people did their little research and figure out who's this so-and-so, because, you know, we're trying to, you know, network with people, not just in our industry, but people that can help us grow and that's going to need our services as far as delivering freight, right? So, one guy in particular, you know what I mean, it had this one guy that popped up, said that we're connected with him. Nice. Looked him up, did my little due diligence. Sorry if I'm a little ashy. But we did our due diligence and found out that he actually has a dealership in the area. So we're like, all right, cool. So, you know, and one thing about Indeed, you know what I mean, the best thing about Indeed, what I like about Indeed, find your lane or your leads or potential customers, is that your customers can actually see who you are. Because you have a profile, you have your company's information. They also can see who's connected with you. They also can see what do you do. Because, you know, it's like Indeed is like the MySpace of business, you know. So can you grab? I'm telling y'all, boy. I'm telling y'all, I just got a text message that said, "Can I go grab some butter?" You know I can grab butter. Let me go get that butter. You know what I mean? My wife just texted me, man. Shout out to our president, man. She just texted me, "Can I go get some butter?" You know what I mean? How to go get the job done. I'm gonna go get that butter. You know what I mean? Make that thing nice and graceful. You know? All right. But let's go back to what I was telling you about. But I'm telling you, real time, baby. But Indeed, actually, your customers actually can examine you quicker than you calling them up or you send out an email. You know what I mean? They get hundreds of phone calls and emails of people saying, "Yo, hey, we can move your freight." You know what I mean? Everybody got the same script. Trust me. Everybody has the same script. We have over X amount of carriers in our network, and we're blah, 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 blah. Everybody has the same script. So the cool thing about Indeed is that when you post your jobs and you're talking to these people, they can see your face. That's one. They see your location. They see your company's information. The website is basically like a virtual, well, it's like an online resume. That's why I like about Indeed. So this guy was connected. My people did their due diligence and saw that he had a dealership. Hey, cool. So how we approach it, we didn't want to come straight for the kill. You know what I'm saying? We didn't want to go, you know what I'm saying? Get over here. We didn't want to do all that. You feel me? So we came in and actually said, hey, we're just glad that we're so happy that we're connecting with you. Allow me to introduce ourselves. We are such and such. We specialize in moving freight at a compatible rate. See how that rhymes? You gotta straight from the dome. Straight from the dome. Yeah. You know what I mean? And the guy wrote back, was like, hey, thank you. Glad to connect with you. Have a great day. And we wrote back, yes, let's network. And I asked him, you know, I was like, we're like, hey, so do you guys typically use 3PL? If you don't know what a 3PL, I'm gonna tell you right now, but I should be telling you to write in the comments below what a 3PL is. And yeah, I might cash out you some money, but I'm gonna tell you anyways. 3PL is third party logistics freight broker, right? Hold on, let me fix this. It's a freight broker. And the guy wrote back, said, yeah, occasionally we use brokers. Alright. So I said, hey, can we go ahead and send you our customer packet? You know what I mean? Basically have all the information, who we are, what we represent, our surety bond, our MC number, DOT number, our company address, phone number, blah, 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 all that. So all in one packet, so the customer can have all our information to put it on their vendor list. And a lot of times these customers will say, yeah, give it to me, and they'll never reach back out, right? You got to keep you gotta do, well, you gotta follow up on these people. So the guy was like, yeah, sure, send it to me. Send it to him. And I'm thinking, oh, we gravy, cool. I got time to go ahead and go get me the proper load board to move his freight, because we don't have auto transport until now. So the guy literally sent back my team within 20 minutes. Hey, I have three vehicles, they're all brand new, that needs to get picked up at a dealership north, like 1,100 miles north from where we at right now. I'm like, what? I'm like, hold on, man. Dang, you ain't even let me go on a date. You ain't even buy me a drink yet. You already, gosh, straight to business like that. Sheesh. Hold on, man. So I call my partner, and that's another thing. It's great to network, right? Get to know people, find out other people's niche, what they do in the broker side of freight, and just move forward, you know. And fast forward, man, found out. And I called my partner. I was like, hey, listen, the guy wrote back, and he actually got a load for us to do, and I don't have the proper things. Oh my God, you know what I mean? And oh my gosh, sorry. And my partner's like, yo, man, I was dealing with these people. They've been trolling me every freaking day, asking me when am I gonna post a load with them? When I'm gonna post a load? Here's their number. You call them at your own risk. I went in and called these people, and like I said, a lot of freight brokers, just like myself, we work in 9 to 5. Call those people, give them the information. They told me they're gonna call me back. 2 hours later, they didn't call me back. I was getting nervous. I didn't want to call this new potential customer and tell him, hey, listen, I can't move your load for you, man. I lied, man. I'm not that guy I was telling you I was. I'm so sorry. You know what I'm saying? Like the majority of y'all deadbeats out there. But anyways, I'm so sorry. I'm not the guy that I was telling you I was. Look, I'm broke. I ain't got money. I just started this thing, you know? Give me a break, you know? Give me about 2 or 3 months, and I'll get back to you. Nah, I couldn't tell him that, man. You gotta think fast. So I called my other partner, man. He got the CDL. He's driving right now. And I was like, yo, listen, this is the story. This is what's going down. This is the situation. And I don't have the load board. I don't have nothing to do for him, because currently we're moving freights. We're moving dry vans and flat vans. We're not moving, at that time, we're not moving autos. We would like to move autos. That was our goal. But I didn't know it was going to come like that. Like I tell you, preparation commands opportunity. And another thing, what preparation does for you, it makes you think quick. Because sometimes about this freight industry, this freight broker industry, you got to think quick. You know what I mean? You cannot panic. Don't panic. Control the greed, and don't panic. You can't panic, bro. Do not panic. You got to think quick. And that's where preparation comes in. You know what I mean? So I called him up. He was like, yo, why don't you just Google trucking companies in that area? And I was like, you know what? You got that? What up? 2 hours later, man, I'm like, you know, what the? Dang, what the? So I went ahead. I started Googling a number. I typed in auto transportation companies, and a lot of them were freight brokers as well. A lot of them was nationwide. You know, we all know nationwide. And I actually landed across one person that gave me a quote. And the thing is this, man, when you're not prepared, you have to recover. You know what I mean? It's like football. Just because they scored a touchdown doesn't mean the game's over, man. All you got to do is come back with a touchdown yourself. Come back with another one. You feel what I'm saying? So I didn't want to leave this potential customer on dry. You know, I didn't want to ghost him. You know what I mean? I did not want to ghost him. So I went ahead and made an attempt to fix the situation. He doesn't know. He didn't know at all. You ain't got to tell him everything what you're doing. That's another thing about freight. You're always learning something new. You know what I mean? You're going to have a problem. You got to learn how to solve that problem like that, man, and keep it moving like nothing happened. That's what it is in this industry. So I ended up when I called the customer. I told the customer the rate. The customer was like, my guy usually do it for such and such. Now, keep in mind, some people will tell you that just so you can go lower in your rate. But me knowing the game, you know, right now this is a diesel diesel surcharge, gas prices are up. There's a demand in the auto industry. So the rate he told me, I'm like, oh shoot. You know, if your guy can do that, you know, then my hat's to you, man. Go ahead, I'll get him too. You feel me? And he was like, the reason why I'm trying to get this load is because, or trying to get this transported because my guy can't do it this week, but he can do it the following week. So I'll wait till next week. I said, no, perfectly fine. And I explained to him, like, I'm sorry, I wish I had a better competitive rate for you, but these carriers are outrageous. You know, you always gotta blame the carriers. You know what I mean? I ain't gonna lie. I got a lot of carrier friends, man. I'm just playing with y'all, all y'all truck drivers. Don't get on me now. Don't get on me, man. I'm your friend. We friends, all right? So I went ahead and explained to him the reason why I came up with my price. And yeah, he was like, yo, listen, he's like, you're right on the mark, you know? I'm not, you know, I mean, I agree with you. That's actually the amount that I would pay, you know what I mean? But we're definitely going to work in the future. I pick up loads from that area, or I pick up cars. He gets auction cars and stuff. He say, I pick up auction cars from that area all the time. So we're definitely going to work with each other for in the near future very soon. Yes, sir. So you know what I did? I went ahead and called a low board. Bing, 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 bing. Hello? Yeah, man. Go ahead and set me back up, man. 30-day trial, free trial? Yeah, let's run it. Let's run it. I need that. Because you never know. Like, I just came across preparation commands execution. So for me being prepared, you know what I mean? I wasn't prepared all the way, but for me being prepared, knowing how to, you know what I mean, deal with situations, man, you just gotta be able to, you gotta hit it every time. So before you go on Indeed, make sure you're prepared, man. Don't do the mistake I did. If you transportate, doing auto transport, go ahead and go get that low board. If you're doing freight, go ahead and get that. If you're doing both, get both, man, and go hard. There's money out here, man. Go hard, man. Don't sit back and wait till somebody calls you. Go out and network on Indeed. You know? Go out and look up dealerships in your area, outside your area, man. And I got some more tips. Matter of fact, write in the comment below. I got a tip for all y'all inspired auto transport freight brokers. I got a tip on how you can get more customers organically. I mean, not no fake stuff, not no here's a phone number, call this number, pay $150 and get a lead. No, I'm talking about organically from a past performance, right? Past performance. If y'all do government contract, y'all know what a past performance is. If y'all don't know what a past performance is, comment below and say, hey, I don't know what a past performance is. Can you tell me what a past performance is? And I'll tell you. But for all y'all that want the Jwett, that's JWETTT, right? For all y'all that want the Jwett, how can I gain more auto or transport customers or auto dealership, whatever you want to say? How can I get more customers from my auto transport business, right? Text below or comment below and say, give me American, right? Give me the Jwett. That's JWETT. And I'll hit you back up and I'll give you the Jwett for free. I ain't charging you nothing, none of that. The Jwett's for free, man. All I ask you guys is like, comment, subscribe. This is Broker Talk.